Welcome to Camp G.L.O.W 2018.
The theme of this year's Camp G.L.O.W is Partners in Equality.
Leader because I am a good communicator with the society.
Because I keep patient and I listen to people.
Because I'm very trustworthy.
I will share what I learned in this Camp G.L.O.W by
acting dramas in this community.
Make posters so that people can be aware of gender-based violence and FGMs.
Telling people about gender equality.
The consequences of gender roles are it makes people lack job opportunities.
When a man is doing a domestic work that woman is doing, they used to call you gold jiggy.
Not to allow people to act what they want.
Take your bows, shake your hands, greet the day. Woo, woo! We are guys and girls taking steps to lead the world, and the change